Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have some more spoilers, or actually another spoiler for the October Yes box. So first I'm going to show you what we already have, and then I'm going to show you the new one. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was my first episode of my 13 Days series. Congratulations, Amy Anderson. Amy says, I'm excited to see these Halloween videos. You rock. Have a great day. Well, thank you, Amy. I'm excited to do them. And I really appreciate you having your bell on. I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You'll have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now let's go ahead and look at the spoilers. The first things we already know about is the Glam light palettes. Now it's just showing a Miracle palette, but a while back they showed that there is going to be a variation between a Miracle palette or the Alondra Desi palette. Now next thing is you'll get one of these 9 items from the MAD Skincare or the MAD Skincare. And then next is the Bellapierre Bling Bling Glitter. Then next is a Sourmet Cosmetics lipstick. Now this is just the regular bullet lipstick. It doesn't show the exact kind, so I don't know what kind of finish it is. It shows 4 shades. I don't know if these are going to be variations or it's just going to be 1 shade. Now for the newly revealed spoiler, it is the Masquerade Beauty. Now these are some kind of spot patches. I'm assuming you put them over blemishes or something. Not quite sure about it, but this will be in your box. Now let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations. Yas Isa, I think that's how you say that. Don't you come after me. You know I can't pronounce anything. Anyways, they said thumbs up. Well, thank you. I really appreciate that. And I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. Remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want a shout out. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I will keep you guys updated. You know I got to keep you in a loop. And guys, Yes Oh Yes is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, I do have a code for you to use. It is Self-Taught Beauty, and that is in all caps. That'll get you 10% off of your first box if you do want to try them out. Now, I do make a little itty-bitty commission, but you guys get a discount. So I feel like it's a win-win for both of us. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my comments, my likes, they're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. If you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit the subscribe button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. Really, it just shows the engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss no more of my videos. You'll be on top of all the spoilers, and that's it. That's all I got for you today, and I love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.